guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are exploring a new location. We are crossing a village. It's in between the mountains. Right now we are going to our destination. Waterfall. It's very pretty and the pathway is very tiny. This is our destination, Tingkat Vally. We have arrived. The leaves are so big. Oh my god.
Alright.
Our camp. So the waterfall and stuff, it's very clear. Of course, a waterfall is clear. And I only saw this place, but oh my, this is dangerous. It is very beautiful weather, and we already went to the waterfall. We couldn't show you, but yeah, it was pretty good. So here, the sprinkle the arrow. I forgot. Okay, I don't know. So there is beautiful lighting. And our camp is right there. Yeah. So there is some people cooking there, like barbecue, chicken and stuff. So this is the whole thing. And there my family is there. They're playing some games, Uno and stuff. And here is like just for sitting and like talking or like eating here, something like that. This is the very beautiful sound of the waterfall. It's very dark, but it is not scary because like it's very beautiful too. Some people are fishing here. It's very cool. It's the time to go home. We had lots of fun, we enjoyed and stuff, but now we're gonna have to go home. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Bye.